So, you're hunting for a used car. You find one that looks great, feels right, and better yet, fits the budget. But that $8,000 used car will cost you $15,000 in repairs. These 15 cars are ticking time bombs past 100,000 miles, transmissions that self-destruct, engines that catch fire. Number 15. Ford Fiesta. Kicking off our list is the Ford Fiesta. At first glance, it's a fantastic little subcompact. It's zippy, handles well, and sips gas. What's not to love? Well, under the hood of the automatic version lurks the DPS6 powershift transmission, a piece of engineering that has become the source of endless headaches for owners. It was supposed to give you the efficiency of a manual with the ease of an automatic. Instead, it delivered chaos. Owners describe severe shuddering, jerking, and hesitation when they try to accelerate. It can feel like the car is constantly fighting itself to find the right gear, and in the worst cases, it just fails, leaving you with no power at all. While these issues can pop up early, they become a high-stakes gamble as the miles climb. Ford got hit with class action lawsuits over this, and while they offered some warranty extensions, many owners of high-mileage Fiestas were left holding the bag for a wildly expensive fix. It's a classic case of an affordable car turning into a money pit. Number 14. Chrysler 200. At number 14, we find the Chrysler 200. When the second generation launched, it turned heads with its sharp styling and high-end interior. This was supposed to be Chrysler's big comeback in the midsize sedan race. Unfortunately, the good looks didn't carry over to the mechanics. The Chrysler 200 is known for some serious problems that tend to show up right as it's getting on in years. The biggest offender is its 9-speed automatic transmission. It was one of the first of its kind in a regular car, and it was notoriously buggy. Owners complain about everything from harsh, clunky shifts to the car terrifyingly dropping itself into neutral while on the move. Imagine cruising down the highway and your engine suddenly just revs freely with no power to the wheels. Beyond that transmission nightmare, the standard 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine is known for burning through oil and, in some cases, stalling out of nowhere. Owning a high-mileage Chrysler 200 isn't just a risk, it's a gamble against the odds. Number 13. Lincoln Corsair. Next up is a luxury contender, the Lincoln Corsair. It might seem strange to see a premium brand on this list, but premium doesn't always mean perfect. The Corsair promises a smooth, comfortable ride, but for owners of early models, especially from 2020 and 2021, the experience has been a digital mess. The main issues are with the complex electronic systems. We're talking about infotainment screen blackouts, system freezes, and all sorts of glitches. In a modern car where your climate controls, navigation, and vehicle settings are all baked into a touchscreen, a blank screen isn't a minor annoyance. It's a critical failure that can make the car incredibly frustrating to use. Some owners have also reported jerky or delayed shifts from the transmission. It's hard to feel like you're riding in luxury when you're staring at a black screen and the car can't decide what gear it wants to be in. Number 12. GMC Acadia, 2010 to 2017. Coming in at number 12 is the first-generation GMC Acadia, and you can lump its cousins, the Chevy Traverse and Buick Enclave, right in with it. These big, family-hauling SUVs were huge hits thanks to their massive interiors. But as they've aged, they've developed a reputation for failures so catastrophic they can total the vehicle. The issue everyone fears is the transmission. The 6T75 automatic is a known weak link. A specific internal component, the 3.5R wave plate, is prone to breaking, which sends shrapnel flying through the transmission and destroys it from the inside. For many of these SUVs, it's not a matter of if it will fail, but when. And the fix is a full transmission replacement costing thousands. But wait, there's more. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is famous for stretching its timing chains, which, if ignored, can lead to complete engine destruction. For a vehicle designed for families, it sure leaves a lot of them stranded. Number 11. Subaru Crosstrek, 2013 to 2019. Subaru has built its empire on safety and all-wheel drive reliability, creating one of the most loyal fan bases in the car world. That's why it's a little heartbreaking to put the first-generation Crosstrek on this list. While newer ones are better, models from 2013 to 2019 have some weak spots that make them a risky buy at high mileage. A common complaint is excessive oil consumption. Some owners report their engines drinking a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. If you're not popping the hood and checking that dipstick religiously, you risk running the engine dry, which causes rapid wear and can lead to total failure. On top of that, the continuously variable transmission, or CVT, has been a real headache. Owners have experienced shuddering, hesitation, and even outright failure, which means a very expensive replacement. Subaru's reputation for durability just doesn't quite hold up here. Number 10. Hyundai Sonata, 2011 to 2019. Our number 10 spot goes to the Hyundai Sonata, specifically models from 2011 to 2019, with the Theta 2 direct injection engines. These cars changed the game for Hyundai with slick looks and tons of features for the money. But there's a huge problem lurking in the engine bay. The issue is that metallic debris was sometimes left inside the engine during manufacturing. This debris can block oil flow, starving the bearings. The result for the driver is terrifying. It starts with a knocking sound from the engine that gets louder and louder. Soon after, you can lose power, the engine can stall, or it can seize up completely, sometimes even leading to a fire. The problem was so bad it triggered one of the biggest engine recalls ever. Hyundai did extend the warranty, which was the right move. But if you're looking at one of these Sonatas that's now past that warranty period, you are playing with fire. The risk of a sudden catastrophic engine failure is just too high. Number 9. Chevrolet Equinox, 2010 to 2017. The second-generation Chevy Equinox lands at number 9. It was marketed as Chevy's reliable answer to the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, but it became infamous for a critical engine flaw. The problem child is the 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine, which is notorious for burning through shocking amounts of oil. The issue comes down to poorly designed piston rings. They allow oil to slip into the combustion chamber where it gets burned away. Owners report having to add a quart of oil every 1,000 miles or less. If you're not constantly checking it, the oil level drops and the engine starves of lubrication. The first sign is often a rattling noise, which is the sound of the timing chain being destroyed. Let it go, and the chain can break, wrecking the entire engine. A blown engine on an out-of-warranty Equinox is a repair bill that almost always costs more than the car. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Number 8. Nissan Rogue. Securing the number 8 spot is the Nissan Rogue, one of America's best-selling SUVs. But a dark cloud hangs over the Rogue. The Jatco continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Unlike a traditional automatic, a CVT uses a belt and pulley system for better fuel economy. Unfortunately, Nissan's CVTs have become legendary for all the wrong reasons. They are notoriously unreliable. Owners report a whole menu of scary symptoms, from intense shuddering and hesitation to a sudden loss of power on the highway. Many have had the car go into a limp mode, drastically cutting speed. Complete failure is common, often happening conveniently just after the warranty expires. Replacing a CVT isn't a repair, it's a financial catastrophe. With serious questions about the transmission's longevity, a high-mileage Nissan Rogue is a massive risk. Number 7. Volkswagen Taos and Jetta. At number 7, we've got a pair from Volkswagen, the Taos and the Jetta. VW has a dedicated following, but recent reliability surveys show a worrying trend, especially for models with the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. These cars consistently land at the bottom of reliability lists, and owners are reporting some major problems. The most concerning issues involve the engine itself. There are widespread reports of serious defects that can lead to total failure, with some owners experiencing blown head gaskets at surprisingly low mileage. Others have had trouble with the dual-clutch automatic transmission, or DSG, which can be rough and jerky. The combination of a fragile engine and a complex transmission is a recipe for long-term disaster. Their poor track record suggests a high-mileage Taos or Jetta could become a nightmare of endless repair shop visits. Number 6. Mini Cooper, especially pre-2015. Driving in at number 6 is the iconic Mini Cooper. It's a car you buy with your heart, thanks to its go-kart handling and timeless style. The problem is, your brain and your bank account might stage an intervention later, especially with a second-generation model built from 2007 to 2014. These cars, especially the turbocharged S models, are powered by an engine known as the Prince. and it has a reputation for being a total diva. The list of potential failures is staggering. They burn oil like crazy. The timing chains stretch and fail, which can destroy the engine. The high-pressure fuel pump dies. The plastic water pump cracks and leaks. The turbo fails. Carbon buildup chokes the engine. It's not just one thing. It's a whole cascade of potential failures that makes owning a high-mileage Mini feel like a very expensive hobby. They are a blast to drive, but that fun disappears fast when you're staring down another four-figure repair bill. Number 5. Fiat 500. Taking the number 5 spot is the Fiat 500. Much like the Mini, it's a small car that's big on European charm. But under that cute-as-a-button exterior is a car with a dreadful reputation for reliability. Owners of high-mileage Fiat 500s often find themselves on a first-name basis with their local mechanic. The problems are all over the place. The 1.4-liter multi-air engine is known for everything from oil consumption to sudden catastrophic failure. There are documented cases of engines just giving up completely, sometimes before 60,000 miles, requiring a replacement that costs more than the car is worth. Beyond that, the electrical systems are prone to acting up, and the interior build quality feels flimsy and cheap. A used Fiat 500 might look like a bargain, but the constant threat of expensive repairs makes it a car to steer clear of as it ages. Number 4. Jeep Wrangler. At number 4 is an American icon, the Jeep Wrangler. Its rugged attitude and off-road chops are legendary, but when it comes to day-to-day reliability, the Wrangler's reputation is, well, it's terrible. It consistently gets rock-bottom scores in reliability surveys from sources like Consumer Reports. The problems start early and only get worse. The most infamous issue is the death wobble, a violent, terrifying shaking of the front end after hitting a bump at speed. Worn parts on high-mileage Jeeps make it much more likely to happen. Rust is another huge enemy, attacking the frame and underbody. On top of that, owners deal with persistent water leaks, flaky electronics, and plenty of engine and drivetrain issues. A Wrangler can be reliable if you pour money and time into it, but the average 100,000-mile example is a project car, whether you wanted one or not. Number 3. Land Rover Discovery/Range Rover. Sliding into the number 3 spot are the champions of British luxury, the Land Rover Discovery and Range Rover. They project an image of wealth and adventure like nothing else. They're comfortable, capable, and incredibly expensive to fix, especially after 100,000 miles. The most notorious failure is the air suspension. It provides that smooth, cloud-like ride, but it is almost guaranteed to fail. The air springs leak, the compressor burns out, and the vehicle sags, making it ride like a brick. The repair bill can easily run into the thousands, but the excitement doesn't stop there. These are complex machines plagued by an entire universe of electrical gremlins, transmission troubles, and catastrophic engine failures. Owning a high-mileage Land Rover isn't a choice. It's a commitment that requires a deep wallet and a zen-like level of patience. Number 2. BMW 3 Series. Coming in at number 2 is the legendary BMW 3 Series. For decades, it's been the benchmark for sports sedans, but the ultimate driving machine can ultimately drive you straight into debt. One study found that there is a 41.71% chance a 3 Series will need a major repair in its first 10 years, which is far worse than its competitors. The issues are everywhere. Older turbocharged engines are known for fuel pump failures, water pump failures, and oil leaks from seemingly every gasket. The cooling system is a major weak point, with plastic parts that get brittle and crack without warning, which can overheat and kill the engine. And then there are the electronics. A modern BMW is a rolling network of computers, and when they fail, it's a diagnostic nightmare. That 10-year-old, 120,000-mile 3 Series with the tempting price tag isn't a bargain, it's bait. Number 1. Jeep Grand Cherokee, including L. And here we are at the top of our list. The unfortunate winner of the car not to trust after 100,000 miles is the Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's one of the most popular SUVs in the country, promising a mix of luxury and off-road grit. But underneath, it has a truly abysmal track record. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it as one of the least reliable vehicles you can buy, with reliability scores that are often at the absolute bottom of the charts. The problems are a perfect storm of disaster: engine trouble, transmission failures, and a horror show of electrical issues. Drivetrains are a constant source of pain, from charging failures in the hybrid models to complete engine and transmission meltdowns in gas versions. Recalls are common, including a recent one where a software bug could cause the vehicle to lose all power while driving. Owners complain about everything from the brakes and climate system to the steering and suspension. Given its consistently terrible reliability ratings and the sheer volume of serious potential issues, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is the riskiest high-mileage used car you can buy. These 15 cars prove a low price tag can be a high-cost trap. From exploding transmissions to engines that drink oil like water, avoid these money pits at all costs. Did I miss any? Drop your worst car horror story in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.